Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning here in Sugar Hill today. It's about 2:30. We got a $200 job we're going to do here. I've already pre-treated these carpets with our OMG cleaner. This is probably the worst room here with several spots next to this bed. There's a couple spots outside the bedroom here. Couple spots on the stairs, and there's also some spots in the master. Worst spot is right there. Everything else looks pretty good. There's a couple spots over there. So it says 2:30. We're gonna knock this job out and see how it goes. All right, guys, it's 3:20. We just finished up with this this job. As you can see, spots are all gone. There's the master. There were, like I said, a bunch of spots on these carpets. Again, with OMG carpet cleaning, there's no per spot fees, no upsells. There had to be at least a dozen different spots on the carpets in this townhouse. But as you can see, we're all set now. Customer was very happy because he's moving out, putting it on the market, so he's not going to have to replace the carpet, which makes everybody happy. So again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. No per spot fees, no upsells. Our number is 404-500-9853. or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon.